Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change the display button settings on SONY ZV-E10. First, what we have to do is open up the menu, then go to the second tab, then go to the 7th page, and there it is, display button. Now you can choose if you want some of those to be turned off or turned on, then just click enter and it's done. Now once you click display, the display changes. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.